Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Ranger grill. Before we begin, it's important to gather all your tools, including a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with various sockets, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your truck is parked on a level surface with the engine off. A well-lit area will make the process much smoother. Also, consider placing some masking tape on your bumper to protect the paint during removal and installation. Now, let's get to removing the old grill. First, open your hood and locate the radiator support cover. You'll need to remove about 5 to 7 plastic pushpin clips and possibly 2 Torx screws. Next, look for any electrical harnesses, like those for a front camera or sensor, and gently disconnect them. Finally, carefully release the grill's main mounting clips and any remaining bolts, often 2 to 3 at the top and several along the bottom edge. A trim tool can be very helpful here. With the old grill removed, it's time to install your brand new one. Carefully align the new grill's mounting tabs with the corresponding slots on your Ford Ranger. Gently push the grill into place, ensuring all clips engage securely. Reinstall any bolts you removed, typically 2 10mm bolts at the top and any others along the sides or bottom. Don't forget to reconnect any electrical harnesses for cameras or lights, making sure they click firmly into place. Before you close the hood and hit the road, perform a few final checks. Give the new grill a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly seated and all clips are engaged. Inspect for any unsightly gaps between the grill and the bumper or headlights. If your new grill has integrated lights or a camera, turn on your vehicle and test them to ensure everything is working correctly. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced your Ford Ranger grill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.